Hello there, in this guide I will show you how to completely uninstall Rockstar Launcher with its social club as well, leaving no leftover files or folders. So the first thing we need to do is to go to our start menu, then type control. It should show us control panel. We open it. Then we click on uninstall a program. And in the search here, we type rock. It should display Rockstar Launcher. We just uninstall the second one right here. It should uninstall Social Club as well. Just by right clicking it, then click on uninstall. Then we go through this uninstallation process. Tells us what is going to be deleted. We click on uninstall. It may take longer for you, so wait for it and be patient. On this window, when we press F5, it should refresh and these two should disappear. Now from here, we will need to delete the files, the leftover files manually. We go to our start menu again, then we type run. We open this run, then here we type documents. Then we press on enter on the keyboard or OK, and we scroll down until we find this folder called Rockstar Games. Inside this folder, you need to be aware that it doesn't only contain the launcher files, but it also contains save files for your games and config files. So if you don't need those, you can delete them, or you can just delete the social and launcher files and folders. After we're done here, we go to our start menu again, type run. Then click on it. We type, instead of documents, we type AppData. Then click on OK. We open local folder here. Then we scroll down until we find this folder called Rockstar Games. And we go ahead and delete it. After this, we go again to start menu. We type run. We go to AppData again. Instead of local, we go to roaming. In here, you might have a folder called Rockstar Games. For me, I don't have it, but if you do, you go ahead and delete it. After that, we go to this PC, then our C drive. Here we open this folder called ProgramData. It might be hidden by default, so if that's the case, go to view here and make sure this option to show hidden files is checked. We go ahead and open it. Then we scroll down until we find Rockstar Games and we'll delete this. Now, last thing we need to delete is this folder, which we may or may not find after uninstallation. It's located on this PC, C drive, then program files, then Rockstar Games, and we delete this one right here. Now that should be it for this guide. I hope it helped you out, and peace out.